Look at that. I'm gonna do a meatball pizza. Winston, I don't hear the rain yet, but I hear the thunder in the distance. Sounds like a song, huh? We're gonna put a little blue cheese on there. If you don't like blue cheese, guys, sorry. Some people do. Really, we're just testing out the ALDi dough today. I just wanted to come up with something a little different as far as the toppings are concerned. Got some thick sliced pepperoni from the deli. Alright, that's a pretty good looking pizza right there. I'm just going to drop a few mushrooms on this one. We want this to look pretty for the camera. We want all our YouTube peeps to see a pretty looking pizza instead of some hideous thing that's just a big old mess. That's right, Athena. You tell them. Boom. All right, guys, this is ready to go on the grill. Yep, we're grilling it. We're going to dust it with some garlic powder. Okay. You've got salt in the meat and the sauce, so we don't want to over salt it. So we're just going to hit it with some coarse black pepper. I use the coarse because when it grills, it kind of likes to get tamed down a little bit, so that'll keep it under control. All right, making some pizza tongues. Lingue. Pizza lingue. Look at that. Winston, I think we did a pretty good job with that ALDi crust. Crispy this came out. My gosh. Look at that. From this steel pan. I'll cut this piece right here. Oh man, is it crispy too. Look at that. Nice char. Beautiful black char on the bottom of that. Let's cut a piece of each. Look at that. That is impressive. So easy. My gosh. I guess you call these pizza lingua, which means pizza tongues in Italian. Most of the time when you get pizza lingua, they just put like sauce on it. But I said I'm gonna make my pizza lingua into actual pizza. And boy, am I glad I did. All right, let's try a bite of that pepperoni. Oh man. Perfect char on the bottom of that. Using that steel pan. That looks like a good bite. I don't know about you guys, but I buy my pepperoni from an actual deli and I get it thick cut. There is no substitute. I would say this is a massive success. ALDi, your pizza crust, it is legit.